In this video, we will learn how to get back unsaved file from Microsoft Word. But first, we need to know what is an unsaved file. Let's open a Word document file and click on a blank document. You see a file named as document1 file because we didn't save the file. Now we have to start it to write our materials. I have just copied the materials and paste here. Okay, but I forget to rename or save the file and I just close the document window. But now we need that file because we write the materials on purpose to use later. This document is called an unsaved file. So let's recover or get back the unsaved file. Open a Word document file again and again click on blank document, click on file and click on info. You will find manage document options here and click on manage document options. You will find the recover unsaved documents option. Just click on the recover unsaved documents. A window pop-up will open and you will see the unsaved documents. I have two different unsaved documents, so I need to choose my file from these two. If you have more than one unsaved documents, just find out the right document. And the question is how you will find the right documents. See the file has renamed as the first written word and unsaved some numbers with the date and the time period to created that file. In the last time I just created the file in 3:08 p.m. So my right documents is there. Select the file and just click open the file. See the file open in the blank document again with the first written word, date and time as unsaved file, but the file open just read only file. So to save the file we just need to click on save as, select the proper folder, and if you wish to rename the file, just rename the file. I rename my file as AS1 and just click on save. Now see the file has saved here as AS1. Close the document window, came back on desktop and you will find the document saved as just AS1. Now open the file. In this way you can get back or recover your unsaved files from Microsoft Word document. If you like the video, just click on the like button, and if you have to know something about the MS Word document, just comment below the video. Thank you.